This video will show you how to log into Newsela. The first thing you want to do is go into ClassLink and look for this app. It's blue and white and it says Newsela. Click on that app. When the app opens, it's going to ask you to choose how you will sign into Newsela. You want to choose this blue button, Clever. When you click on the link, you should be able to click in, log in with Active Directory, Agora Cyber Charter School. If it does not bring up this particular button, you'll have to search for Agora Cyber Charter School and then log in with Active Directory. Once the app loads, you want to click on this button, which says Assignments. This particular assignment, we're going to be using the article, "A contrast between shadows and light can now generate electricity." In the future, any assignments that your teachers have given you will have the article they want you to read and their name next to it. And that is how you log into Newsela.